The Innocence Initiative seeks to eliminate the adultification of Black girls.
So the community that is most impacted by the disparity is mobilized to do something about it in a meaningful and collaborative way. Train defense attorneys to protect Black girls. The first person an arrested Black girl sees is usually a juvenile defender who works exclusively for them. Their job is to be the voice of a child during prosecution and to make sure their rights are put first. Defenders are supposed to be the champions of our girls during the justice process and are also the only ones legally allowed to speak to Black girls to get their side of the story. These defenders need to know what adultification bias is and need the tools to fight against it. Measure, in partnership with the Lone Star Justice Alliance and the Travis County Juvenile Defender's Office, are training defense attorneys for the next year to make sure they are genuinely representing Black girls. Learn more at wemeasure.org.